Hello to my viewers. My topic today is about rational equation. This topic is under college algebra, and this math is intended to the students who are taking up college algebra. The question is solve and check. Number 1, I have 3x over 4 minus 5x over 7 equals to 2. So we are asked to solve the value of x, and then after that, I need to check if this will be left side should be equal to right side. So by the way, what's the difference between rational equation and rational expressions? Okay, so rational expressions, you are asked to solve the value of a variable and then you need to check. So that's the difference, rational equation and rational expression. So in here, so I have the denominators 4 and 7. So find the LCD, just multiply. So this will be 28 because 4 times 7 is 28. Then start divide the LCD by the first denominator. 28 divided by 4, that is 7. Then multiply by 3, that is 21x. Did you follow? Then next is 28 divided by 7, that is 4, times 5x. So this will be 20x. And this will be equal to 2. And then subtract 21x minus 20x, that will be x over 28 is equals to 2. Since I don't have a denominator, so I will put 1 serve as my denominator. And then I will apply cross multiplication. So this will be x is equal to 2 times 28. So 28 times 2. This will be 16, carry 1, 2 times 4 is 4, plus 1, 5. So this is, my x is equal to 56. Now let us check from the given equation. So replace x, which is 56, in the given equation. So this will be, check. So 3 times 56 over 4 minus 5 times 56 over 7 is equals to 2. I think we can divide 56 by 4. 56 divided by 4. So this is 1, 4, then take away, this will be 16. This is 4, 16, 0. So I have 3 times 14 minus this one, 56 divided by 7, this will be 8. And then 5 times 8, this will be 40, is equals to 20. What is 14 times 3? 14 times 3. This is 12, carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So this will be 42 minus 40 is equals to 2. And we know 42 minus 40, this will be 2 is equals to 2. So therefore, x value is correct. And that's all.